Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Sophia. Sophia was known for her bright smile and fearless spirit. She loved exploring the world around her and was always eager for adventure. One day, Sophia's grandmother fell ill, and the only cure was a rare herb called moonlight bloom, which grew deep within the dark forest. The villagers warned Sophia about the forest's dangers: ferocious beasts, wicked witches, and treacherous paths. Undeterred, Sophia decided to brave the forest to save her grandmother. She packed a small bag, grabbed a lantern, and set off toward the dark forest. As she walked, the trees grew taller and shadows grew darker. Sophia heard strange noises and saw glowing eyes, but she didn't let fear stop her. She remembered her grandmother's words: "Courage is not the absence of fear, but facing it with a brave heart." Suddenly, a wise old owl perched on a nearby branch called out, Who goes there?" Sophia explained her quest, and the owl offered guidance. "Follow the stream, and it will lead you to Moonlight Bloom." Sophia followed the stream, facing obstacles and challenges along the way. She encountered a giant spider, but instead of running, she gently moved it aside. She discovered a hidden cave, where she found a family of friendly rabbits who offered her food and shelter. Finally, Sophia reached the heart of the forest, where Moonlight Bloom bloomed in all its glory. As she picked the herb, the forest transformed, and the darkness dissipated. Returning to her village, Sophia found her grandmother recovering, thanks to the Moonlight Bloom. The villagers celebrated Sophia's bravery, and from that day on, she was known as the brave little girl of the village. Moral: Sophia's story teaches us that courage and determination can overcome even the most daunting challenges.